Very good morning, grade 11 and 12 ISC students. Today I, Tarun sir, your English language trainer, is going to discuss proposal writing with you all. In English language, proposal writing is a compulsory question of 10 marks. Let's understand what is a proposal writing. We write proposal in order to ask for permission from a senior authority to either set up something or to either introduce or organize something. It can be in the form of science club, Vedic mathematics classes, abacus classes, English speaking personality development classes, canteen, etc. Fun club, creativity club, recreation activities club. So this is how you, being the prefect or captain of the school, would be writing a proposal first of all, and then you would visit your principal's office in order to show that proposal. It should be so attractive that your principal, respected principal, shouldn't say no to it. So this is what I'm talking actually about, practicality. Let's come to the theory part. How to write a proposal. What is the actual format of proposal writing? First of all, it carries 10 marks. Give a very short introduction. Point 1. Give a very short introduction of at least 20 to 30 words. And this introduction would obviously consist and contain the information regarding the setup that you are going to present in front of someone. In front of someone, and that is actually called proposal. And let's take an example. We'll go stepwise. For example, you and other prefects, there are 4 prefects, you all visit the principal's office in order to show and set up a proposal for setting up spoken English and personality development classes. Now what you will do is that, how will you introduce? Introduction would be in such a manner to introduce spoken English and PD classes that would create a special interest in the minds of students and will enhance both spoken English and personality development skills. That's it. This is what you would write when it comes to intro. Second point, very easy. Again, 20 to 30 words. Do not exceed. No need to write hell lot of theory. An objective would be that in case if you are ready to set up separate classes for spoken English and personality development, then what would be the objective behind it? Objective, very simple: enhancing the communication skills, where students of all grades can participate in it. This will bring in a very different culture inside the school campus. There would be a different kind of an excitement in the minds of students. Competitive environment. This is the objective, to create a competitive environment. So students, intro, objective. 2 marks, 2 marks, 4 marks. I've already explained you how to introduce and how to describe the objective. Third point, list of measures. This is of 4 marks. You have to be very good at vocab and grammar over here. In limited points and words, you will have to list down all the measures. And what are actually these measures? Let me describe it. Date, time, venue, concerned authority who would be taking care of that activity. This is the backbone of a proposal. You will have to write everything, that when would these classes be conducted, who would be taking care, room number, how would these classes benefit the school, what would be the membership fee and all. So again the same thing, date, time, venue, concerned authorities, fee, etc., etc. Write at least 4 to 5 list of measures, then only you would be getting 4 marks. And then at the end you have to conclude it. Short conclusion, 2 marks. So if you add this, that is 10 marks for proposal. Grade 11 and 12 ISC students, mind it, you get full marks in this section. Don't start writing theory like an essay, limited words and crispy language. You can use good vocab. Whatever you are trying to propose in front of someone should actually be very convincing and impressing. You can write down one question and you can send the solution at my WhatsApp number, that is 9839305466. Shall I start? The question is, you can follow the same format. The question is, you are Ravi, comma, the captain of the school, full stop. You have received a lot of complaints. You have received a lot of complaints regarding the unhealthy food being provided in the canteen, school's canteen. Full stop. As the captain, write a proposal to be presented in front of the senior coordinator of the school. As the captain of the school, write a proposal to be presented in front of the senior coordinator of the school to set up a canteen, that would be providing nutritious food items along with proper lunch for the students. 10 marks. Thank you so much, class.